even talking about?
I know what we'll say.
1 week later, and the bins came. And now we have a bunch of, whoa, I'm gonna mess it up, sorry. Bunch of packages to package, and we're going to do that.
We actually get to utilize our work.
Because I know you guys love packaging. And then Ontario's going in lockdown in 3 days.
I'm never coming again.
Time to package. Packaging outfit check.
We decided to do an orangey brownie black theme today.
Poopy theme.
Dead leaves theme.
Scrunchie check.
So bald right now.
Okay guys, Kayla Truard, sorry if I said her name wrong, got a big order, like 13 things, 12 items. So let's pack it together. Cindy will follow me and we'll get the items. Come and follow me over here.
I hate you.
So she got the Danny, Cindy. Look at these bins.
Wow. Look at that, so easy.
The Cindy.
Come closer.
Wow.
Cindy. Let's set it up, let's set it up. And we'll grab all the scrunchies first and then the clothes. Veronica. Veronica. Winnie Justine. Winnie. Over here.
What? I have to follow every single thing?
Justine. Ooh. Mecca Juliet. Mecca. Juliet. Okay, and then the clothes. So she got a small. Should I just bring this over there? Yeah, let's do it. A small ash tank. Hopefully these bins aren't in the way.
I know. Look at that.
Small
Oh, look at
ash
that.
tank. Oh my god. XXL and Co. knit toque.
Wow.
Where are they?
Whole outfit. She lost them.
Where are the tubes?
Up there.
Oh yeah. Thank you, thank you.
Loser.
One of our beanies. Knit toque. Chunky knit toque. A Bronte bomber jacket. Bomber jacket.
Wow.
It looks it looks like this.
So much.
She got this jacket.
Wow.
In a size small. And she got a medium Kalina buffalo plaid flannel.
So many things. All weathers.
I love this flannel so much. And the Jerris joggers in medium green camo. These bins are never here, guys. It's because we're currently sewing the irises, which will be sold by the time
Look
you
at
see
them.
this. By the time you see
All
this.
of them.
So they got the medium green camo. Medium, come closer so they can see. Medium green camo Jerris joggers. And that's all she got. Look at this. Look at this.
Pants. Hat. Flannel. Jacket.
Whoa.
Every single weather you can imagine. She's ready for.
You know what? We should give her a dad cap. Let's give her a dad cap.
Wow. And a cap for sunny weather.
Our dad cap. And because we want her to have a nice day. Okay, have a nice day, Kayla. I hope you see this vlog
Doing this all for her.
because bag it up.
Oh, I'm doing it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh!
The
This is big. It's so big.
But
This
a
is so
seal.
many things.
Okay.
Oh my god.
No, I can help.
Ooh.
If it
Okay. Whoa. Oh, are we putting...
I'll figure it out. I know, right? You never not put the hat in a box. I wonder if I should get a box. You can have a couple extra gold flake stickers.
Wow.
I think we need more. So let's put in the hat first, I guess. A tank top, joggers, bomber jacket, flannel. Think fold like that. Oh,
And then this.
I didn't undo the box lid.
Oh, she a dummy.
I'm just too excited. The hat. And then the scrunchie's right on top.
Wow.
It fits like perfectly.
On the other side?
Oh.
Come on. Wow.
Whoa! And then we can sticker this closed. Thank you. Yay!
Wow. And this
I have cute tape.
we have.
My cute tape. I have it. Count it.
Cute tape. Let's have an open. Oh, something. Wow.
Oh, I taped over the own logo. Whew. I guess that's it. This is such a fun package. Thank you, Kayla. The label. Where should we put it?
The top?
Like here? Like to the side?
Yeah. I like it to the side action.
Ooh.
Wow.
Another sticker?
Whoa. I would love to receive this package.
Same. I think I taped it good enough. Scared.
This doesn't hurt to continue taping. Defense. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yay!
Squats.
Oh, hey guys. Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. As a small business owner, I have goals for you guys, the XXL fam, to chase after your dreams. You know, just go for it. Just start. I'm once again super excited to share with you Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creators like you guys. Explore new skills, deepen existing passions, and get lost in creativity. The reason you're probably watching this video is you're interested in my packaging, or you like packaging videos, or you're the XXL fam. Did you know Skillshare has classes about packaging? There's a class called Packaging Artwork for Shipping Made Easy. There's also a class called Ultimate Step-by-Step Guide for Packaging for Clothing Brands. Thousands of inspiring classes to choose from about social media marketing, graphic design, finances, how to draw on your iPad, photography, Instagram, like so many classes, like it would take me forever to name them all. Everyone is on their own unique creative journey, and Skillshare can provide you the support. It's curated specifically for learning, meaning there are no ads, and they're always launching new premium classes, so you can stay focused and follow wherever your creativity leads you. And it's less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. Warehouse update, as some of you may know, I love that some of you actually know this. I'm on the hunt for a warehouse because look at, there's like no space. I'm crammed in this corner. My dad's right there. His spot's getting full. We have fabric upstairs in our upstairs closet taking over. There's fabric down here. There's fabric in the living room beside our couch. I'm actually like held back from buying fabric and a lot of stuff in bulk just because we don't have space. I mean, we could really make space if we cram, but like that's really uncomfortable for our home. If you're decor obsessed like me, came across this interesting class on Skillshare called Design for Renters, Reversible Interior Design by Albie bang over the joy of temporary wallpaper, which I would have never thought about. And yeah, I'm already excited. Thank you Skillshare for sponsoring this video. The first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in my description, get a free trial of premium membership so you can explore your creativity. All right, back to packaging XXL. Cute. Just gonna zoom in.
You're like, why is her face on my page? It's a good face. Imagine I hit. Hello, YouTube.
It's like you're fist pumping. I'm gonna zoom.
When you need a Miley.